Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be sharing some major deep cleaning with you in today's video, as well as some everyday messes. This video took me all day as we tackled again some nitty-gritty areas, and I'm also going to be sharing one of my favorite pasta dishes with you in today's video as well, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. We are starting off first thing in the morning in my kitchen, and we're just gonna go ahead and get everything cleaned up and put away from our breakfast this morning. So as you can see here, I do have some organization to do in some of these cupboards, so make sure that you stay tuned for that coming up on my channel. I've been doing it a little bit behind the scenes, and there's just some areas in my house that need some cleaning and decluttering and organizing, so I'm really excited to bring you that motivation here probably next week.
Call back. Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how.
All right, everybody, now that the kitchen is mostly clean, I just wanted to pop on here and say I hope that you are up and moving with me. If not, grab your to-do list, grab a load of laundry, whatever you want, grab a drink of choice. I'm all for the coffee today, and clean along with me. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and tackle the kitchen floor. I'm going to vacuum and mop them before tackling the rest of the house. I'm also gonna be sharing one of my personal favorite pasta recipes, so make sure that you stay tuned for that near the end of the video. Now we're gonna get into some deep cleaning. I looked up and remembered that my ceiling fan was so dusty and dirty, so I wanted to go ahead and tackle that as well. You can see they were so bad, and on top of the dust, stuff had just kind of accumulated on them, so it was like packed on there. Wait until you see the before and after. It is incredible.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got too many dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat.
So if you're wondering what I used to clean the ceiling fan there, I just used the Go Clean Co method, which is really hot water with a teaspoon of Tide powder mixture. That stuff cuts stains and grease and all the things so good. I love that it took essentially no effort to scrub it, as I tried to just use like hot water prior to that and it would not budge. So I absolutely swear by that method. If you haven't tried it yet, make sure that you go ahead and try it. It is good on so many different surfaces and I love it. Now we are going ahead and vacuuming and mopping the kitchen before moving on to the rest of the house.
I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too. Playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you.
So on my floor, I am also using the Go Clean Co method, and I wanted to go ahead and wash my floor on my hands and knees today, as it had been a while since I had actually done that. And I do find you just see a lot better. You'll notice I cleaned the baseboard there as well as the dishwasher, as I just saw that it was dirty while I was down here. And so yeah, just going ahead and giving this a really good scrub. My kitchen floor seems to get so dirty. Let me know how you clean your floors, if you use a mop or if you usually get down on your hands and knees as well.
Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
So you'll notice that I did go ahead and clean up our entryway there. All of that stuff was there as we had done a day trip, and so we had like all of our bathing suits and stuff packed in a cooler, as we have had some beautiful weather. So the girls absolutely love swimming. We go to the beach often, and so yeah, there's always some stuff to unpack from that. And then I'm just going ahead and wiping my kitchen table using my new favorite method wood cleaner in the almond scent. I talked about this in my last video, which if you haven't seen it, you definitely should go and check that out. But I have been absolutely loving this cleaner. And then I am moving on to this side of my living area where I had these little bins out because I had just finished organizing my daughter's rooms and they're going through their clothes. I do this about once every quarter through the season changes. And so with summer around the corner, it was time to go through their clothes. And now we're just moving on and vacuuming the rest of the house here. So we have this little basket here that we keep all of our extra cords and stuff in just to kind of keep it looking a little less cluttered. And so we have just all of our extra chargers and stuff. And so that's where I'm going to go ahead and put all of these extra cords here. And so just going ahead and wiping our mantle. It had been a while, I'm not going to lie, since I had wiped this. As you can see, it became a little drop zone. So I just wanted to go ahead and get this cleaned up. Now here is the lovely before and after.
I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe.
Moving on, we're gonna go ahead and get some laundry motivation in today's video. So if you have a load of laundry, go ahead and grab it and let's fold it together. And then I'm gonna share with you that Alfredo pesto recipe that I am so excited to share with you. So now that the laundry motivation is done, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the recipe. If you try this recipe, I would love if you went ahead and tagged me over on Instagram. I love seeing you guys recreate my recipes. So for this, you're gonna need to chop up some onions and some tomatoes, and then I like to pan sear my chicken just in salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And then after the chicken is seared, you go ahead and fry up your tomatoes and onions for about 2 to 3 minutes and add in some Italian seasoning. My favorite pasta sauce is this Classico brand in the roasted garlic and then just the pesto. So I add a full jar of the Alfredo, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the pesto. You cook your tortellini as per the package and add it in. Top it off with Parmesan and that is it. You finish it off with the chicken and there is your pasta. This is literally the easiest recipe ever and it is so good. All right, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope that you guys got tons of cleaning motivation. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew